Welcome to English Acorns. What we're going to do today is we're going to write in the role of a character. The character we're going to write in the role of is Mouser the cat. So last time we visited the book, we'd learnt about Mouser and her children and how she felt like her children's humans weren't trained properly. So we're just going to read 2 more pages of the book and learn a little bit more, and then I'll explain today's activity. So there's Mouser with her human Tom. Her old pet Tom was very well behaved. He never spilled the cream when he was filling her saucer. He always stroked the reins to a beautiful golden glow. He rocked the rocking chair at just the right speed. He knew the exact spot behind her left ear where Mouser liked to be tickled. What was more, he never wasted his time drawing pints of beer or weighing out vegetables. When he was not looking after Mouser, he passed the day in the most useful way possible. He took his little boat through the narrow opening between the great breakwaters out into the blue-green sea and caught fish for Mouser's dinner. So there they are cooking. Mouser's favourite food, fish. Mouser was very partial to a plate of fresh fish. In fact, she never ate anything else, but she liked a little variety. So on Mondays they made morgy broth, Mouser's favourite fish stew. On Tuesday, they baked hake and topped it with golden mashed potatoes. On Wednesdays, they cooked kedgeree with delicious smoked ling. On Thursday, they grilled fairmaids, a mouth-watering meal. On Fridays, they fried launces with a knob of butter and a squeeze of lemon. On Saturday, they soused scad with vinegar and onions. And on Sundays, they made stargazy pie with prime pilchards in pastry. And in all, Mouser's days passed very pleasantly. It's got a lovely selection of fish there. So what I want you to do today is, using the new information that we've learned and also the information that we already know, is to write in the role of Mouser. Okay, so you have got a planning sheet for this, which I'm going to go through now, and I will put some images of the book on the website so that you can actually read it again if you want to. Okay. So, here is your planning sheet. So, you've got some key questions that are going to help you to write your description. So, who are you? Where do you live? Who do you live with? What do you look like? What do you like? And what do you dislike? So, using these key questions, the information that you gather will help you write in your description as though you are Mouser. So, I've actually filled my planning sheet in. So who am I? I am Mouser the cat. I live in a village called Mousehole, which is near a harbour. I live with my human Tom in a cottage. So what do you look like? I'm a black and white cat with piercing yellow eyes. What do you like? I like my human Tom and visiting my children. I especially like eating fish. What do you dislike? I do not like humans who are not properly trained. So I've used that planning sheet there to help me get some information about Mouser. I'm now going to use that to write a description. So here is the description that I've done. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I am Mouser the cat. I live in a village called Mousehole, which is near a beautiful harbour. I'm a black and white cat with piercing yellow eyes that shimmer in the sunshine. I'm an extremely happy cat, and my favourite things in life are my fisherman Tom, eating delicious fish and visiting my children. However, I dislike humans who are not trained properly. So all I've done there is use my planning sheet and put all my information into a paragraph to describe Mouser as though I am Mouser. So I've written in first person there. I've added a little bit more detail. So I've added more detail to the way his eyes look. I've described the fish as being delicious. I've described the harbour as beautiful. So I have added a little more detail. And this is what I would like you to do in your work. I would like you to listen to what I've read the pages again if you want to. And then I want you to use the plan, answer the key questions, then use that plan to inform your writing, to write a paragraph as though you are Mouser. Okay? I'll put all my ideas on today's learning so that you can look at them as an example. And I really look forward to seeing your descriptions. Good luck, Acorns.